So there's one for you. That's good fun. 1, 2, 3. Same as my last video, if you look at my last short, to do with one of them. Right hand on the snare, left hand up on the tom, foot. You can play it foot, right, left, right, whichever combination you want to do. A bit like food, you can flavor it the way you want to flavor it. But I like snare, tom, foot. And I like to add in the hi-hats. You can either do tight or slosh. Slosh. We can add the double bass drum pedal. It's up to you, either way around. But basically, 1, 2, 3. So how do you do it? And what are the common faults with it? Well, let's do the common faults first. You go, and the right hand tends to dominate. If you're right-handed like me, it tends to dominate and say, nobody can play without me playing. So therefore, it goes, and it tends to pull the leg into the triplet of the snare. So you end up sort of going. I've seen so many students doing it, and I've seen myself in the past doing it when I'm live. You come to the end of a song and you're playing and your energy is used up in that song, a little bit of cymbal work or something, and you think, oh, I'm going to do a triplet now. You go to do it and it just goes dunk, 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 doesn't have a flow to it. So there's a couple of little tricks that may get you out of that if that's what you experience as well. One, you have to play it in rhythms. So you need to practice the triplet and then practice playing the triplet just over and over and over. So if you was to play live, then it doesn't mess up as you're playing. So how can you get the triplet really nice? There's a little trick that I personally do because I think it changes how you think on your approach. So instead of trying to do or whichever way around, even that way, that's one way of doing it, but you tend to find, I think, that you're just constantly playing slow. You can't move sort of over the line so it becomes diddly, 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 da. You just can't quite get over there. You could play it slow, and that's fine, but you can't quite create that fast rhythm. So I would prefer, or I did it this way, by playing a flam, which is, okay, that's a flam, one before the other. Ideally, strike and tap. There's your tap hand, there's your strike. It's a nice flam, but you can bring them down together. Okay? Strike on the left, tap on the right for now, and then bass flam, bass flam. Now pick that up, flam, always, flam, 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 bass flam. And then open the flam up. Almost pause the one hand, pulling away. And then put it on here, or the snare, and then we'll see about the tom as well. And you see, as I'm running with the feet, and just slowly pulling that flam away. Do it slowly. If it's early days for you, super, super slow, always. Try and pick up a little bit more speed. And then apply speed and power. Flam, stretch the flam. So you just pause in the hands, pulling them apart. Then you can move to the floor tom. And then you can move the dynamics of feel. And then you can cross your hands. And then shove, either take the hi-hat away completely, shove the double bass drum pedal in, even do the double bass drum pedal with the hi-hat. It's all your choice, as much as loud, slow to loud, slow to loud. Move the hi-hats, just play around with it, but you've got to practice it over and over and over. And it does take the energy out of you. It's good exercise, good for your sporty watch thing. Get your steps in. So take care, follow us, give us a little like, because that helps as well. Click this video a couple of times around and watch it to learn, and jump on some of the other videos. Follow us on the channel. And if you like the sound of these fantastic, beautiful cymbals and drums, give us a little shout on our website. They're all on there. Take care all. Keep drumming.